to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can create professional presentation. Yes, and for that you have to visit one website. That website is canva.com. So graphic design company. Just go to canva.com link. Wait. Okay, so after clicking on that link you will reach this page. Okay, and before making or creating any presentation here you have to log in, and for login you have to use your Gmail account, and it's very easy to log in. They have the website is having two types of membership. One is free and one is paid, that is pro version. So create for free one and reach this level, then go to templates and then come for presentation. Okay, so presentation templates, they are giving free templates as well as paid templates. So we will choose here free templates. So just come down and take any templates which one you want. Okay, we are going to take this template. So 75 people rank this one, given comment on this. Okay, so for choosing template you have to click on here, use this template. Okay, so we have reached the presentation template. Okay, now these are our templates. So we will design according to our needs. So whatever contents you have, you just get ready with you, and then you put those contents. If you have contents in Google Sheets, you bring those content to this platform and paste it. Okay, now how you can edit here? You can edit here also. You want to edit this, put your name here, whatever you want to put. Okay, here you can put what you want. Depends on you what type of content you want to set. Like okay, I will set here financial freedom. Okay, so in this way, if you want to insert here image, you can insert by just uploading picture here. Any picture you can upload here, and if you want to upload from computer, upload an image or video from computer. Okay, from computer, Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, whatever. But I will upload my picture from this. Okay, yes, I will upload picture from here only. Any picture you want to upload. Okay, you can see here this picture is free, but this picture is pro. Okay, you cannot use this picture, because if you want to use this picture then you have to pay $1, and I don't think that you have to pay. So you just edit this picture, keep it in corner. Yes, if you want to put money related anything, you just go ahead and put it there. Okay, I don't upload. Okay, if you want to upload, you just upload from there. Okay, now it's time to change your settings. It's time to change your content. So in this way, after creating or after making presentation, you can present here from this section. or you can download it from here. Okay, so in which form you want to download? Okay, if you want in JPG, then download it, or if you want in PDF, then download it. Even after downloading the JPG format, you can go to PPT, MS Microsoft PPT, and you can paste it all the images there. So it's very simple to use. I don't think that you will face any problem. So just go ahead and check this uh, website, and you can create the professional presentation. So for now, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.